Yo, what's good, YouTube? It is Digital Hustler back with another video. Forex DHS in the building, man. So listen, I got another video for y'all where I'll be showing y'all news slash Forex Factory. This is episode 7 of learning how to trade Forex for beginners. And one of the biggest things that I have realized within the markets is news, okay? I look at news on Forex Factory. This is the platform that I get my information from when I am trading. As y'all can see, we had a lot of news. Shit, just for today. Damn, I didn't even know they had a lot. Fuck. They had a good amount of news for today, which is Thursday, January 30th, 2025. Um, they had news at 7:45, 7:30, and 7:15. We mainly look at the red folders. Yellow means it's just low impact news. Orange is a little bit like mid, and then the red folders is high impact news, meaning that there's something in the market that causes these large movements. There's large volume that comes in. These sellers and these buyers, etc., etc. Okay, so with that being said, usually when you look at news, you're only focused on what you trade. And that's something that I definitely want to bring to y'all within this video. For my past 4 years of trading Forex, I was one of those individuals that trade the whole market, literally all 29 pairs. GBP USD, AUD USD, NZD CAD, NZD JPY, Euro JPY, CAD CHF, USD CHF, literally any pair that you can think of, I would trade it, even Euro GBP. And those that trade Forex know how childish Euro GBP is. It literally does whatever it wants to do. Like, literally, I have to put the emphasis on the F. Like, literally does whatever it wants to do. Like, it's that bad. But it got to a point where I started like limiting myself. I was trading NZD CAD, USD CHF, GBP CAD, GBP USD, and I believe it was Euro USD. I was trading those. Like, I think I just named like 4 or 5, but I was trading like 6 at one point, and then from there I just now trade one, which is GBP USD. Crypto, I'm involved in a lot of cryptos. I day trade cryptos as well. I actually just closed out in profit for Bitcoin yesterday. Made a withdrawal on Bitcoin, not Ethereum. Well, I made a lot of withdrawals in Ethereum like at the end of last year, and XRP is another one that I day trade. So, with that being said, now that I'm just focused on one pair, which is GBP which I trade Forex with, I only focus on GBP news and USD news. This may be different for you. You may trade Euro CAD, so that means that you're gonna pay attention to Euro news and CAD news. For me, since I only trade GBP and USD, all these other ones I'm gonna remove so I don't have any type of confusion within the market. Okay, so like I said, if you trade any of these other ones, then just click the ones that you trade. But since I only trade GBP and USD, I'm gonna remove all this extra stuff. Shall I leave the orange one's cool. I'm gonna leave the orange ones, but I'm just gonna leave the red and the orange folders, and then the yellow and gray ones I'm just gonna completely remove. And then from there, now you have a way more condensed sense of like information for you. You're not too confused as to what's going on. Okay. So now, as y'all can see, all my news is compiled within the same pairs that I trade. So it's not confusing. I'm not being distracted with this pair of news and then the other pair of news. I am simply just focused on the GBP and the USD news. And basically, at times where these news are coming out, sometimes nothing is gonna happen. I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes these red folders come out, bro, and they don't do absolutely nothing. Like, literally, you will sit there and wait the whole day for that news to come out. You wait, it happens, nothing changes. It's been times where I thought that, oh, when this news come out, it's finna push the market. Oh, when this news come out, my trade finna go ahead and take profit, which doesn't happen all the time. And that is why I'm bringing this video. That's another reason why I'm bringing this video, to let y'all realize Oh, well, let y'all know. I believe they call this because they have, what is that called? They have, uh, yeah, I can't believe my brain just went completely blank like that. I forgot the two markers that they call. Starts with an F. Functional? No. Okay, I forgot, y'all. I forgot. If it come back to me, traditional. No, 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 no. Okay, I forgot. Okay, but anyways, what I'm basically trying to get at is that usually the news follows whatever is going on within the market. So what I mean by that is, let's say that the market just did a huge drop, right? A huge drop, and now it's a order block, and there's a lot of liquidity at the top of that huge drop. What the market is gonna do is gonna push up there. News may come out to push up to that high, but it's not gonna necessarily break that high. So they put out enough news till the market shoots up there, but it doesn't break that high. Instead, they put out some more news at the top that pushes the market back down. Okay, so if y'all ever heard the term, they put $1 million into buys and they put billions of dollars into sales, that's what they mean. They purposely push the market up, then from there push the market right back down. Now, yeah, you may be like, Al, what are you talking about? Let me show y'all in the perfect example. Okay, now this is a trade that I was actually a part of. I'm actually in the trade right now. This is what it looks like. I just did a video before this one, and I said I was gonna show y'all, but I forgot. But currently, I'm up around like 8 pips. This was the trade that I took earlier. I closed out, made 140 on this one. It was a 1 to 2.8. I knew it was gonna come back down, so I just took this entry, and then I replaced my money here, my $50, and then I put another $25 entry at the 50% of this candle, which is an order block that you can find on the 2 hour right here. So make sure y'all tap in with my order block video that I just posted before this one. So yeah, I'm currently in this trade. But let me show y'all what I mean, right? By the market is gonna put a lot of money. So for example, this trade right here, right? All of this happened within a week or to 2 weeks, where the market just kept on dropping, kept on dropping, kept on dropping, kept on dropping. So obviously, in literally all these areas within the market, we have free price. Like we have no buying pressure in here. So when the market is down here, guess what? They started dropping news around this area that pushed the market back up. Okay? So now that the market is back up here, guess what? They may start selling the market down. Let me show you another example. All right? Right here, I was in this trade as well. The market pushing here, I literally sold the market. Hold on, let me show y'all. Okay? So the market was up here. I'm gonna drop it to a lower time frame so y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. So there was a big drop, right? Once again, check out my order block video. There was a big drop. Now I see that there's an order block up here on the 1 hour time frame. So guess what? I'm gonna put an entry right here where, as y'all can see, it shot down. The market started trending up, and guess what happened here? We have manipulation here because the market can't touch here, but it shot all the way up there. Same thing here, shot up crazy. We don't usually have a whole 80, damn near 90 pip move that happens within an hour. That is not normal in trading, at least for this pair, right? GBP/USD does move fast, but that fast, there has to be some type of news, some type of event within the market happening for something like this to happen that quick, okay? So, and there was news at the time, I remember. So the market shot up, put me into the trade, and shot back down, okay? So they put $1 million into buys, they put $1 billion into sales, and then they bought up from this point again. And they took out the people that was here, okay? Which was me, unfortunately. they did take my money. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. They took my money. I did lose this trade. I was up, bro. It was crazy too because I was up like almost 450, almost $500. Like I was up there with this trade because I had 3 positions, and they all was up at least a 1 to 3. So as y'all can see, market shot up there. Once again, manipulation. Why? Because we have all this price up here that has to get recovered. Okay. So that's why y'all see the market pushing up so aggressively, because it knows that, okay, we already put all this money into this, these sales. We got to go clean that up. So we got to go push the market back up. And that's why y'all see all of this going on. And that's why I'm in the position that I am now, because I know that this market has to eventually go back up here and clean all this extra stuff up. Okay. So there's still price areas that are in here that still need to get cleaned up. For example, this is the order block that it tapped, but I believe that it can also go into this order block in here, which you can find on a higher time frame, which is this one. Okay, so that's why I have this trade the way I have it. Also on the DXY, we have an order block right here that is pushing, signaling that the market is going to go down, so on and so forth. So yeah, that's why I believe that the news and the Forex Factory is one of your biggest go-tos, because it can literally help you decide when there's volume in the market, what you can be looking for, etc., etc. That's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully y'all learned something new. Hopefully you enjoyed. Y'all traders, y'all keep protecting the markets. Everybody else, man, y'all stay safe. DHS is out.